Hello everyone. Our today's topic is mail merge. Mail merge is a feature in MS Word that used to create multiple personalized letters. It saves lots of time as you do not need to change the information for new recipients. Mail merge contains three components. First component is main document. Main document contains letters, invitations or envelope. Here you can see on the screen I have already typed an invitation. So its next component is data source. Data source is a list of recipients. Recipients means the person to whom you want to send this invitation, who are going to receive this invitation or letter. So it contains name, address of person. So its next component is merging of main document with data source. So it involves so many steps. So let's start. So first of all, type an invitation, which I have already typed. You can see on the screen. Then click on Mailings tab. On Mailings tab, there is a button Start Mail Merge. So you have to click here. Then drop down list will open. Choose step by step mail merge wizard. Click here. Then mail merge wizard pane will open. So select letters if this option is not selected. Then click on next starting document. Here are again three options. Use the current document, start from a template, start from existing document. So choose use the current document. Then click on next select recipients. So here again there is a list of three components. Use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, type a new list. If you have already list, you can use an existing list. But if you don't, then you have to type a new list. Click here and then click on create. After clicking on create, new address list will open. So as you can see here, there are so many fields. If you don't want all these fields, you can customize. So click on customize columns. So here you can see the names of fields. There are button add, delete and rename. So you can add, delete or rename these fields. So I do not want all these fields, so I am going to delete in that. So click on the name of field, click on delete button, then click on yes. So I am going to delete so many fields. I do not want all these fields in my data source, so I am deleting. So again and again delete, yes, delete, yes. So I have deleted so many fields from the data source. Then click on OK button. So here you can see title and first name, only two fields are pending. So I am going to type title. Title means Mr., Mrs., Doctor, which you want to give title to the name, and then name. So Mr., then press tab key, name of the person, again tab, Mrs., tab, BB, tab, Mr., tab, CCC, tab, Mrs., DDD, and tab again, Mr., tab, EEE. I have typed three names, then click on OK. So now there is a need to save your data source. So give a name to your data source. Suppose I have given ABC and then click on save. So now your data source has saved. So now mail merge recipient list has opened. So you can see here the names of the person and their title. And here are check boxes. So by default all check boxes are checked. If you do not want to send invitation to any person, so you can uncheck that box like this. But I want to send invitation to everyone, so I am checking it again. Then click on OK button. So your next step is to click on next, write your letter option. Here you have to click on more items. After clicking on more items, your insert merge field box will open. So there are the fields name here, title and first name, and then you have to select the name of field and then click on the insert. So as you can see here, title has inserted in your main document. Then select next field and click on insert. So your first name is also inserted in your main document. Then click on the close button. So here you can give space between title and first name. So now if you want to see its preview, then click on the next preview your letters. Click here. So you can see the preview to Mr. CCC. It is our pleasure to invite you and the first birthday party of our daughter. So here are backward and forward buttons. So if you want to see the previous record, then you can click on the backward button. So if you want to see the next, then click on forward button. So now your next step is to click on next, complete the merge. Now your merging has completed. So if you want to take the print out, you can click here on the print button. So you can see merge to printer. So if you want to take the print of all records, then select all, or if you want to take the print of current record, then select current record. Then click on OK button. So I hope topic is clear to you. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for watching.